So now, my phone turned off. Oh my god. Okay, so we add the milk. How much milk do I need? 1 cup of milk. I don't like real milk, so I use almond milk. Is my almond milk still good? It is. So, start. Perfect. So we add our milk, 2 eggs. I do not have my Joe cheese out. Do I even have Joe cheese? Let me move everything towards there. Let me close my freaking milk too, God. So next we add our 2 eggs. I know you guys want to see everything I'm doing, but I don't want to get egg everywhere. Ew. So we add our egg. I did not wash the tomatoes. Then we add our greens. That sounded sexy. So I don't have cheddar, but I have cheddar jack. So that's good enough for me. I think it's recording. So this is the cooked quinoa. Oh, everything. I'm going to unplug you now. The cooked quinoa. This is how it turned out. It's not bad. It's cooked. So then we're gonna add this. That's perfect grammar. It's. I know you guys couldn't see that, but that was scary. Oh, it's stuck. Like, look, it's like stuck on the bottom of the pan. And I don't really feel like getting things, so I'm gonna use a knife to get it out. Improvise if you don't have anything. God, the sound of that. Oh, it's pouring everywhere. That seems good enough. So it says, fold in cooked quinoa. Oh, I didn't do that. I just added all of it. So I'm going to use this spatula. See if it folds in. Okay, I think I have it folded in. How long is this supposed to cook? It's 11:17. I have more important things to do. That's a total lie. So, I have that. Now I have to add the cheddar cheese. Where did I put it? I put it right here. Okay. Okay, so... You're still good. Yes. Okay, so this is gonna be a total mess. Yep, it is a total mess, like I said it would. Yay! So back, the reason why I'm making this YouTube channel, as you guys saw, is because, like I said before, my friends thought, I think like, oh, I'm entertaining all this, and like I would get views on this, which like, it's rare. Like I'm probably not gonna be like. I'm probably not going to blow up. It would be cool, because like my dream is to be an actor, and obviously like this is not acting, but it could bring, I guess, a little bit of recognition. I can't say that word. Like I know every like, oh fudge, I know every like teen wants to be an actor, right? But I think there's a difference between wanting to be an actor and actually like your passion is to be acting. Like I want to go to acting school. I'm going to college to major in acting. And like I'm going to go through all the hard steps. And obviously it's hard to do. and like it's a bit like a lot of rejection, but also like if you're good and you continue auditioning, you're gonna get a part. If you actually try. If you give up, like who knows what you could have done, you know? Now I'm mixing in the cheese. I don't know if it's supposed to melt, but I'm mixing in cheese. It's probably not gonna taste good. I have a feeling it's not. It's too much quinoa and not a lot of like other stuff to make quinoa. Oh, it overflipped. That's not even a real word. It was almost mushy. Like, oh, it's disgusting. I'm probably gonna add. Can I add salt to it? I'm gonna probably add some garlic, salt, and pepper to it because I'm that bitch. I love me some good garlic salt. So I'm gonna add a bit more garlic. I love garlic. Like if you're my family, well, if you're my family who I don't talk to, then you don't know. But you I guess know me. I love garlic and a lot of pepper. Ooh, speaking of pepper. Red pepper. It was gross. I'm sorry that you had to witness that. Okay, so make it a bit spicy. For yo soy's taste, I passed Spanish with a C, as you can tell. I have to get a tray. So since I don't have Pam, I'm going to use baking oil, or vegetable oil, and put that a little bit, that's too much, on there, and then you get a paper towel. Then I don't have one, so I'll improvise. Then you don't mix it, but you know, you spread it. Ta-da! The burp. Put in your abomination. Oh, it folded. I really pray to God it's supposed to look like this because it looks like this. It kind of looks like granola. I wasted good quinoa for this. Could have made something else, but I'm making this because I'm adventurous. I had couscous mac and cheese from BJ's though, so this is why the main reason I'm trying this. Cause I'm just like, wow, that was delicious. So now I'm like, okay, so let's see what the next step is. Okay, so add remaining cheese. Oh, I need to probably add a little too much. Okay, this is taking way too long. There you go. So now I'll put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Oh, that's hot. Do I put it in the center or the bottom? I'll put bottom. Because everyone loves the bottom, you know? Well, that happened. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that happened. Oh God. Okay, hopefully I don't die. Okay. That. I'm really scared that a fire's gonna happen. I just realized that I've been filming vertically this whole time. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that, but I'm not refilming this. So now what I have to do is clean. That's gonna probably take the whole half hour. So yay for me. I'll see you guys then, or when it's over, you know. Okay, let's see how this turned out. It doesn't smell bad. It's not crisp like it said it should be, but again, I'm too lazy. I'm gonna probably need both hands for this. Ew, it's wet, so I'm gonna do that. Still looks like a granola bar to me, but it's better than nothing. so it's hot right now and I don't feel like burning my mouth, but I do want to try it. I'm gonna add some, oh, I should have had more garlic on top. I'll add some red pepper on top, a little more garlic salt, and a little more regular pepper. Probably be like, you're overdoing it, and I'm like, I probably am, babe. I'm a bit nervous. It smells good, I'll be that, but I have a feeling it's not gonna be as cheesy as I would like it. Obviously, because I put healthy. It smells like quinoa, obviously. Ooh, it's steaming. Because it just got out of the oven, God. I don't really see any cheese on there or anything. It's not bad. Tastes mostly like quinoa. But there's a cheesy thing to it. It's like, I could eat this. Thank you guys for watching my first ever video. And thank you for putting up with me all this time. I know it was very torturous. And I'll try to add more videos. My next video is going to be the Hugh Jackman concert. And when this is up, most likely I'm going to have already been to the Hugh Jackman concert. I don't know what this channel is going to turn into. It's probably going to just be me doing random things, you know. But thank you for watching, and hopefully you watch for the next one. I'll have an outro, so bye.